Hello, after imports, you need to have from WebDriver, then navigation link, which is chat.openai.com. Step 1, a code snippet to click on login button. Step 2, username code to send email. Step 3, password code to send password. Step 4, click on pop-up, which is done button. Finally, step 5, search query, input field. Now, some are prerequisite. You need to type few commands before execution. Then finally execute your project. Chrome tab opens. Login button clicked. Email sent. Password sent. Continue button clicked. Hold for loading. Pop-up opened up. Done button clicked. Finally search query entered. And here you can see the output. Thank you.